Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money with the Capitec app in 2025. This is a super handy feature for sending money quickly and securely, whether it's to friends, family, or for bills. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at it. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Capitec app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, download it from your app store and update any existing version for the best experience. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your username and password. For extra security, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if available. Now, on the home screen, look for the Transfer or Payments icon. It's usually front and center. Tap on it to get started. Next, select the account you want to transfer from. Capitec lets you choose between your savings, checking, or other linked accounts, so pick the right one. Then, enter the recipient's details. You can use their Capitec account number, cell phone number, or email address. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any delays. Input the amount you want to send, and don't forget to add any necessary reference or note for the recipient. Always double-check the figures to prevent errors. Before you confirm, the app will show a summary of your transaction. Review it carefully, then authorize with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for security. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation message or notification. That's it, you're done. The money should arrive almost instantly if it's within the Capitec network. A quick tip: keep an eye on your transaction history and set up alerts for all transfers to stay on top of your finances. If you run into any issues, contact Capitec support right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.